quick real estate tip.
So I love these Waterfall Faucets. I've got these in my personal house as well. The problem with them is that they get built up here, and you can actually see a little bit up there. The other thing is you'll get like lime and different corrosion on the aerator, the screen, and so sometimes it will constrict water flow and you have to be able to clean that out. So overall, it looks awesome. I like the feel, but they are super hard to keep clean. Hope that helps. Go get it. Bam.
Thanks.